This video will show you how to upload a video to MediaSpace and then create a link to it in Blackboard. So I just made a very small video. I called it example.mp4 and I put it on my desktop. It's 15 seconds long. One thing that is very important is that it have the MP4 extension. The default from ScreenFlow is .mov, and if you save it as an MOV file, MediaSpace won't like it. So you have to change the extension to MP4. So to bring this into MediaSpace, I have it linked from my browser, and you just go click on MediaSpace. Then I have to go log into it. My password is already remembered. And then it's going to take a second. I guess the internet's a little bit slow. I have a couple collections. If we go to, for example, 498, I could have made a new collection, but let's just go to 498, which is the class that I'm teaching right now. And so you'll see all the videos that I've made for this class. So if I want to upload this file, I just go to Add Item, and then I have to go over to Upload Media Files. And okay, it gives a pop-up, and then I choose the file that I just, my video file, which is this example thing, and hit open. And it uploads it, and so it is now uploaded. Now if you go down to select a file, you have to add some metadata. So let's just call this my example. The author is Ed Malthouse. Today's date, I think, is May 2nd, May 1st, and then give an abstract. Shows an example. Okay, so you got to type something there, otherwise it won't let you go anywhere. So hit save, and then you have to hit back to collection, which is kind of hard to find at the bottom of the screen. Now we're back in the collection, and it sorts them in chronological order. So at the very end, you're going to see my example. And so if you click on this, it's actually going to play the video. So we don't really need to watch the video, but that is the video. At this point, you want to go to Publish. So click on Publish, and then takes a second. After you hit Publish, go to the lower right corner and you want to go to Embed Player. And you have to copy all this HTML code. So I just highlight it all and I do a Control-C or Command-C on a Mac. Now I'm going to go over to a new window, and let's go over to Blackboard. So now we're in Blackboard, and I'm going to go to my course, so 498. Now, I always have my Baboogle site under Documents, so I've gone to Documents. Now this is going to get me into my Baboogle site, and I'll create a new tab for me in my browser. And the way I've been organizing this is that I have something off on the sidebar called videos. So if I go to videos, I have all my videos under this. So what I'm going to do is create a new page. So we're going to go up to the right and click on New Page. And then I have to give a name for this page, how to upload video. And it's going to ask you, where do you want to put it? I always put mine under videos. And what you'll see here is it tells you the URL for the page that it's going to create. So if you don't like that, you can change it. Go hit create. Now you have to wait a second. You need to go click on this HTML button up here. And at this point, I'm going to paste that player that I had copied from MediaSpace. So I just pasted it into the HTML since it's HTML code, hit update, and now we have a Google gadget, and go hit save. And so here is this video that I've created. It's this little 15-second thing. All right. Now, if you want to send this link to somebody, you just go up to the top and you can cut it or copy it. So I'll do a Command C, and then I can go paste this into anything that I'm doing. So, for example, if I had a PowerPoint, I just opened up PowerPoint, and it's going to take 2 seconds here. Let's bring this down, and I could say video, and then I could go into here, and I think it's what is it? Command K inserts a hyperlink. So remember, I've copied that address. Now, if I do a Command V or Control V, it pastes that in, and so now a student could click on this and it would take them right to that video as long as they're logged into Baboogle. So we go back here for 2 seconds, you'll see that how to upload a video is back under videos.